I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my Fabric Fusion Permanent Fabric Adhesive. So this is what the fabric glue looks like up close. As you can see, it's a clear liquid and it dries clear. So that's one of the good things about it. This is what it looks like dried. You can't even tell, right? It was even strong enough to hold the weight of my pillow. And I purchased this because I saw a hack where people were reupholstering their sofas at home, like a DIY project. And because I don't have a sewing machine, I decided to purchase this glue. So far, my cushions have held up really nicely. My pillows have held up really nicely with this glue around them. It has not come apart, so it is definitely permanent. So I loved using it. It was easy to work with, and I thought it worked well as a sewing alternative. And that's my point of view.